In this video, I'm showing you the swords in my Breath of Life Tarot Oracles deck, which I lovingly co-created with Spirit over 6.5 years. This deck is ideal for those who are new to tarot, or you're just looking for a new, fresh breath in your tarot. You know, maybe an oracle card reader, or a Nordic runes reader, or just a channeler, medium, and you really want to get into tarot. This deck can really help you. Now, swords are the lessons in life that are necessary for growth. It is the blind spots. It is the things that we don't always enjoy. And what is beautiful about this deck, because it also comes with an amazing booklet, it gives you the guidance in how to turn those challenging situations into, moments of victory so that you can really, really benefit. The imagery speaks to you, the words speaks to you. If you're interested, get your own deck. There's a link in the description that you can follow to my webpage, or you can contact me. My contact details is in the description to get yourself your own copy of this beautiful deck, beautifully illustrated, oracle card sized, and it's such a wonderful addition to your collection or as your first exciting deck.